Phoebe officially started her summer vacation. She immediately became emotionally attached to the beach. She spent 30 minutes judging the ocean. Phoebe says vacationing is a very serious responsibility. She is now accepting beach sponsorships. Until next time, beach your possum. See you next episode.